Hey guys! Welcome to Cadmatix. In today's video I'll be reviewing the SketchUp software, but before we begin, take a minute and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so you don't miss another video. If you go to the official Trimble website to download SketchUp, you will see that there are 4 types of SketchUp softwares featuring different tools. There is one for personal use, for professional projects, for higher education, for primary and secondary education. All of them have a 30-day trial period and requires login. SketchUp is a powerful tool creating conceptual 3D models to beautiful rendering and detailed construction modeling. The trial version has these features, out of which 3D Warehouse, Extension Warehouse and ware are the most used ones. Trimble also offers self-paced tutorials and short learning videos for beginners. In SketchUp, most of the time we use blocks or products available on the 3D Warehouse for SketchUp. Here we have all sorts of necessary furniture available ready to be used in projects, which is a plus point. As you can see here, we have different types of windows available in different dimensions. Let's try searching for trees. So here we have different types of trees and planters. If we press download, you can see that these blocks are only available for SketchUp versions from 2020 to 2023. If we have an older version, we can download the colored file. Another thing that Trimble offers is different file types that these blocks are available in. These trees can be used in other softwares like Blender. Next we have the Extension Warehouse. These are basically add-ons that you can customize your software with to facilitate your work. This extension is Archie Texture, which is for enhancing the textures. These extensions can be free or available for a price set by Trimble. As you can see, here are the details for the extension. This is the interface of SketchUp, and as you can see, this is the icon for 3D Warehouse and this is the icon for Extension Warehouse. Just download the extension and right-click on the Extension Warehouse icon to add extension. It increases the workability on the software with fast access and creates attraction, which itself is a self-motivation for a designer. Like, share and subscribe.